Compound interest is commonly found in real-life situations in bank accounts where you get interest on the interest that you earn each year. So if we look at an example, doing it the long way round first, so I paid £300 into an account paying 5% interest per year. I want to find out how much how much money I have in the account after 3 years. So, using our percentage multipliers, at the end of year 1, we have £300 multiplied by the 1.05. And if you've got 5% interest, you'll end up with 105% as your multiplier, which is 1.05. And that means at the end of year 1, I have £315 in the account. Now, because it's compound interest, at the end of year 2, I get interest on the whole of £315. So if I times that by 1.05 again, then I end up with £330.75. So the question asked me about how much I would have in the account at the end of the 3rd year. So I need to look at how much interest and amount I would get on £330.75. And if I times that by 1.05, rounding to 2 decimal places, because money is rounded to 2 decimal places, I end up with £347.29. Now, we can see that we have multiplied by 1.05 here, here, and here. So I've multiplied by 1.05 3 times. So if I'd originally started multiplying £300 by 1.05 3 times, so that's the same as cubing, then I would end up with £347.29. So this single calculation saves me having to do all of the 3 steps. So in general, the compound interest formula is as follows. A is my original amount that I started with, so in my case, the £300. R is the interest rate as a decimal. 5% interest rate in the previous example would be a 0.05 interest rate as a decimal. And N is the number of years, which in the last case was 3. So if we look now at another example, I invest £250 into an account paying 6% interest per year. I want to find out how much I have in the account after 5 years. So using my formula, my £250 is how much I'm investing. 6% is 0.06 as a decimal. So I'm timesing, because it's an increase, by 1.06. And the power I'm raising 1.06 to is 5. We want 5 years. And if we work that out, we end up with £334.56, rounded to 2 decimal places. That gives you how to work out compound interest.